How to log in to Godaddy account. So if you want to log in to Godaddy account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. And now on the search bar you have to search for godaddy.com. And after searching, it will directly take you to the web page or the website. So now if you want to sign in or if you want to log into your account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says sign in. And if you want to sign in, then you can click on sign in. But if you don't have an account, then you can click on create an account, and then you can create your Godaddy account. But to log in or to sign in, you have to click on sign in. Now to sign in, first on the first blank you have to enter your username, and on the next blank you have to enter your password. But you can create your account if you don't have an account by clicking on create an account, and you can click here so that it will keep you signed in on this device, on whichever device you're using right now. But if you don't want to save your credentials, then you can unclick it, or you can also sign in with your Apple, Facebook or Google. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your password, then you will have this option on the bottom of your screen. You can click on your username if you forgot your username, and you can click on your password if you forgot your password. But if you remember, then you can simply enter the information and then click on sign in. And now Godaddy will send you a verification code to your email address which you have just provided. But if you didn't receive the code, then you can click on resend code and then you will receive the code again. So what you have to do is you have to simply open up your Gmail account and then you have to enter that code here. And after entering the code, click on verify code. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Godaddy account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.